Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Upwork account step by step. If you no longer use Upwork or want to permanently close your account, this quick guide will help you do it bisahula. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and go to the search bar. Type Upwork and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. This is important because some settings may not be available on older versions. Once the app is updated, open the Upwork app. Now tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find the option called Close Account. Before closing your account, make sure you don't have any active proposals, ongoing contracts, or pending payments. You may need to complete or withdraw them first. Once everything is cleared, tap on Close Account, follow the confirmation steps, and your account will be permanently closed. And that's it. Your Upwork account is now deleted. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.